Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how can you export your matrix visual or table visual from your Power BI into Excel or CSV. Sometimes the users are saying, the report users are saying, hey, I cannot see that export to CSV or Excel option available for me. How can I do that, right? So that's a concern, and you need to know how to enable that. Okay, so and this will be available if you have access to the Power BI admin portal. And first of all, as you can see on my screen, I'm already on my Power BI service, here. And if the user or you want to export this matrix or this data into Excel, simplest way is you hover your mouse and you'll see these three little dots. These icons will appear when you take your mouse. For example, if I say start taking my mouse over to the visual, you will see that in the corner. So definitely you want to export this into Excel. So take your mouse here and click on these three dots. So other way, sometime, if the visual is tight with the other visuals next to each other, this will be kind of, hard to find that it gets hidden behind the other visuals if the next visual is pretty close to the other one. So in that case, what you best way to do is click on this visual, okay? With your mouse, just click on it so that stands out. See, even if I'm taking my mouse on the other location, that piece is still sticking out for you because I already selected this visual. So that's the best way to do it. And then click on these three little dots, and then you'll see over here, export data. So that's where you want to click it, export data. And normally by default, this should be selected, which is the data with current layout will be selected. Sometime the users will not see that. They will only see this summarize data option. So, and so this will be default selected, and this is already file format is selected to XLSX. That's the latest version of the Excel. So click on it and then export, and then this will export into Excel. Download it into Excel, open that up, and you will have the downloaded version, which is right here. So there's your product, and this will also show you if there is any filter supplied. So if there is any filter supplied on that visual, this will also have that filters saying order date is on or after 6/27/2025, and that's pretty handy, right? That's helpful for the users to see when they exported this data, was there any filter on the visual applied, and this is what exactly is telling us. So if you go back to the visual here, let me go back here. If you go back to the visual, and it is the filter is already applied 6/27 through 3/27, right? And the export exactly tells you what that is. Okay, so the key thing that I'm going to share you, the other key thing is, let's say if the user, when they click on three little dots, the report user, and they do not see this export data option, so in that case, the whoever has the access to the admin portal, they need to go and click on this settings on the Power BI admin, which is go to settings, click on admin portal. I don't have that options all available in my portal because the way my tenant was set was not have fully access to it. So but I can show you what you will see in this admin portal. So whoever has access to this admin portal on your organization, so they will need to go here in the admin portal, and let me bring another visual here for you. So they will see exactly this admin portal like this. Okay, this is it, what they will have access to, and they need to enable this portion right here, enable this, and this will be turned on. Okay, once they enable this one, once they enable export to Excel, they enable this in the admin portal, and the users will have access to exporting to the Excel piece. Okay, all right, so okay, sorry about that, I'm having so many windows open and I got lost track. Okay, there you go. So that's how you do it. So they need to turn that on the admin portal, and they should be able to export to Excel afterwards. So hopefully this tip helps. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. So thanks again for watching, and have a great day.